Hi guys, my name is Harshith. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it's going to feature my brother Vedu. We're going to make a Play-Doh solar system. This is the colors you need. You need a green, light blue, just like my brother said, a dark blue, a white, a light yellow, a dandelion color, a sunny orange, a fiery red.
Fiery red, yeah.
So first let's use what we're going to use. So for earth, we're going to start off with earth. We're going to use the dark blue as the oceans. We're going to use the green as the land and white as the clouds. For the sun, we're going to use orange and we're going to use this light yellow. Sun is ready.
We're going to make Venus and Earth.
So you'll need red and a little bit of
Daddy,
yellow.
what can make orange, Daddy?
So now
Might
roll
make
it out
orange.
roughly.
When you mix the red and yellow, it make orange.
Then
So
get this.
so make the orange.
And get
So make the orange.
this as a spiral. And thus you're going to make Uranus.
Wait. Planets study. We can make planets study. It's nighttime. We can make planets. It's nighttime. The planets are getting loose in the planets. Oh yeah, we have the planets turn, 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 and then make the planets come. Wait for Neptune. Neptune. No, Neptune.
Take it up. Oops.
That's not Neptune. We can make orange for Earth. No, only white for Earth.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 continents on my Earth.
4 continents.
And then we just have to smooth it out here.
And squeeze this orange. Then protein.
So now we're going to make Mars. It's a red planet. It's red because it has iron oxide, the same thing as rust. And rust appears to our eyes as red. So we're going to take a little
That's
bit
mine
red.
Red. That's mine.
It's going to be the foundation of Earth. So we're going to take a little bit of orange, just a little. So now we're going to roll it out. Roll things out like that. Okay, we're going to make a long strip.
I need
Then shouldn't be very thick. Glossy.
Yeah.
Just cover it up. Take some, snip it off, put it outside, and just cure it on, and then make this a little bit smaller by snipping this off. And then put this on. And we'll just put it on again.
So what is the big planet? Rainbow!
So feeling like me, they just use the entire packet on the light yellow. We just made this big ball. We're going to make it bigger. So first we're going to use a little bit of this leftover red. And with this, we're going to roll it out very thin. There's a bit of yellow here. That's okay. We really want that. It looks nice. It will do this. Thanks, Waylange.
I don't get
We'll just take off the red, yellow bit. Half like thing. It kind of has this yellow mixed into this. So it actually looks kind of nice. We're going to put it on and roll it off. We need
Okay.
now we have that. We're going to just put that like this on here.
Here's it.
We're making Uranus now, and it is bluish green, and it has rings sideways. So we're going to make a ball about this size in blue, fully coated. This is going to be our base. For the color of the outside, it's basically just one big color. So I'm going to take a thin layer of green, put a little bit of blue on there, then surround it.
How growth happened?
It's going to be so cool.
This is magic.
I'm going to mix.
Yeah, it's not magic
I'm going to
yet.
mix it up to get something sort of pull it down. Pull it.
Is it Uranus?
Just going to.
We don't make Saturn. We can make Saturn.
This is Uranus. See the wing? See the rings here? It's cool.
How about Saturn too?
Almost about to fall down.
Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
This Neptune is blue. We're just going to complete it by rolling some. This is Neptune. I just made a dark blue ball as a foundation, and now I'm just scoring it and putting white rolled out really thin stripes on it. Yeah, like that.
Neptune.
To Saturn now. So I got this beautiful color now, but we need a little more blue. And how I got this color is because I mixed this type of yellow, the yellow you see here, with red, this type of red. So now we're just going to put some green, this type of green.
This is blue one. It's blue also.
Saturn's ready. Saturn has rings. Also, it is orange and green. Most Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Something my brother did. And no more Pluto.
I need Pluto for that.
We both made the solar system in Play-Doh.
Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Wait, so what's after Mars?
Asteroids.
Yes, you're correct. After Mars and before Jupiter, there's Here's a big asteroid belt. We're going to draw asteroids here. Vedu, what's after Jupiter?
Saturn.
You're right. This is Saturn. What's after Saturn, Vedu?
Uranus.
You're right. One more point to Vedant. Uranus is after Saturn. It's like this. But we put it like this. What's after Uranus? And the last of the solar system.
Neptune.
You're right. That was easy, but okay, you're right. What's after Neptune?
Pluto.
It's a Kuiper belt, but because we don't have room here, we won't go into it.
Pluto.
Whether what's this?
Mercury.
What's this?
Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune.
What is this?
Mercury.
Yes, this is the closest to the sun, but the second to the hottest planet. Because Venus, the next planet, is the hottest. You may know it is, but some people know. Some people think it isn't, but it is because it has a cloudy atmosphere, and Mercury doesn't. It traps all the heat inside. It can go really high. Enough to melt tin. What's this planet then? Fun fact, did you know our sun is 4.5 billion years old? This is Earth. This is where we live. It's the only planet with liquid water. These two planets, Mars and Earth, are in the habitable zone. So there can be life there. Habitable zone, also known as Goldilocks zone. It's called the Goldilocks zone because it's called the Goldilocks zone because humans and others can exist in it. This is Mars. It's basically a desert now, but whatever. Look at it. It's polar caps. The north one and the south one consist of frozen ice. Frozen one. Not the liquid one you can see on Earth. See the one? This is Jupiter. It's a gas giant. It's big. Giant. Get it? It's the biggest one in the solar system, in fact. It has many colors on the stripes, and it has a big storm called the red one. The red dot. This is Saturn. It has the biggest rings in the solar system. Basically, all the gas giants and the ice giants have rings, but we can't see them because they're tiny. Or, like Uranus, we can see it, but it's sideways. It rotates on its back. So Jupiter is filled with hydrogen gases, and you can't land on it because it's mostly gas. But it does have a rocky core. But before you get there, your spaceship will crush up because of all the pressure there is. So Saturn has all of these rings. It has these rings. There's mainly 4 rings, A, B, C, D. Simple as that. But it mostly consists of comets, asteroids, but not as big as these, and other stuff. It can also consist of many metals. And we're going to move on to Uranus. Uranus, we don't know why it's spinning on its back. Maybe a big asteroid from the Kuiper belt we're going to see, or the asteroid belt here. that could have turned it. So these are considered, Neptune and Uranus are considered ice giants because they have many types of ices, like liquid nitrogen turned into ice in Neptune. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. It's very fast. And it's very dark blue. You can see in the night sky. And then after Neptune is a Kuiper belt, where our beloved Pluto stands still today. It's not considered a planet now, but it used to be. There's lots of asteroids in the Kuiper belt, like in the asteroid belt here. And Pluto stands with other dwarf planets. Now this Pluto is considered a dwarf planet. It's smaller than Earth, but still a dwarf planet. And that's the solar system.